Buying and owning an EV is a great experience. The first step to seamless ownership is installation of the EV charging station. Once the EV is bought, the customer can request the vendor to raise a request to install the EV charging station, or simply scan a QR code on the EV charging unit to raise a request or call the customer care and make an installation request. Effort is here to help you raise and schedule your installation requests. Effort is a no-code, DIY, SaaS platform that enables you to create and allocate tasks easily. Once the installation request is raised, the service manager allocates the ticket to service engineers based on location, availability and workload. The engineer reaches the location and checks himself in. To start the installation activity, the engineer completes the installation and submits his activity. The manager and the customer are notified of the same in real time. Our wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility. For reports and analytics, raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.